Sourabh Chandrakar and the Future of Housing, breaking down the impact of 3D printing technology on future housing projects. The advent of 3D printing technology has initiated a significant shift in various industries, and the housing sector is no exception. In the forefront of this change is Sourabh Chandrakar, a visionary in the real estate sector who has recognized the potential of 3D printing in transforming future housing. 3D printing in construction, also known as additive manufacturing, involves the use of specialized printers that layer materials to create three-dimensional structures based on digital designs. One of the most significant impacts of 3D printing in housing is its cost-effectiveness. Additionally, 3D printing enables faster construction compared to traditional methods, potentially reducing the time frame from months to days for certain projects. Architects and designers can create complex, bespoke designs that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional construction methods. The technology promises a reduction in material waste, as it uses only the necessary amount of material to construct a building. Sourabh Chandrakar's vision for integrating 3D printing into future housing projects is a testament to his commitment to innovation and sustainability. One of the most exciting prospects of 3D printing technology is its potential to address affordable housing crises around the world. By significantly reducing construction costs and time, 3D printing can provide a viable solution for rapidly constructing affordable homes, making housing more accessible to underserved populations. As 3D printing becomes more prevalent in construction, there will be a growing need to educate and train the workforce in this new technology. This includes architects, engineers, and construction workers who will need to adapt their skills to work with 3D printing in construction. The promise of 3D printing in revolutionizing how we build is not just about constructing houses. It's about creating homes for the future.